Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about a brands option in WooCommerce that confuses a lot of beginners. Many people think it's just an extra setting, but actually it can be really helpful for your store. So let's break it down step by step in a very simple way. What is the brand option? Imagine you are running an online store where you sell products from different companies like Stylo, Adidas, Nike, and Samsung. The brands option basically allows you to tag each product with its brand name. This means your customers can easily filter and find products from their favorite brands. So let's get started. Once you install WooCommerce, look at the left sidebar in your WordPress dashboard, go to products and you will see brands option along with categories, tags and other products option. Just click brand option. Here you will see a place to create your brand name. In the name box, simply type the brand you want to add. Next, you will see the slug option. This is basically the brand's URL friendly name. Just type the same brand name here as you did above. No changes needed. Then you will see a parent brand option. Since we are creating a main brand right now, just leave this option as it is. Now there is a box for description. This is optional. You can type a short description about the brand if you want, but it's not compulsory. After that, you will see an option to upload the brand logo. For example, if my brand is Stylo, I will upload the official Stylo logo here. Once that done, simply click on add new brand and your main brand is created. Now let's say inside my Stylo brand, I want to sell shoes. I will create a sub-brand for that. In the name box, I will type shoes. In the select box, I will type shoes again. Here is the important part. In the parent brand dropdown, I will select Stylo because I want shoes to be part of the Stylo brand. Description again optional, but you add something if you like. Then I will upload an image for shoes. Finally, I will click add new brand and that's it. Now my shoes sub brand is ready under the Stylo main brand. You can repeat this process for other categories under Stylo like dresses, perfume and so on. When you are adding a new product, look at the right sidebar. You will see the brand option. Just select the correct brand for your product before publishing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like,